Hey guys, this is Ryan at Skyway, and today we are in a beautiful old 68 Oldsmobile 442, and this thing is awesome. Gauges on the dash work. Got your beautiful white leather insiding. Blue convertible top. This is definitely a car to come check out. This is very clean ride. Got a smooth transmission. It's definitely something to come check out. Nice steering, doesn't pull you one way. Nice tight brakes. This is a rider, man. Come check it out. Skyway Classics, Bradenton. Gets going. This is an awesome ride.